friends, welcome to a new video on my channel. I'm Smitha Katti. I blog at smilingcolors.com. Many of you know me as the Shiny Nest on Instagram. In today's video, I'll be unboxing the new Tombow VIP Club box. This is the November 2018 box, and many of you have been liking a lot of the unboxing videos I've been sharing here, so I thought I'll just come and open this with you guys. So as soon as you open the box, the first thing you see is a pamphlet that shows the contents of the box, and this time they have 12 new colors. There I see a lot of aquas, greens, and pinks. How cute are these? Look at those, guys. Okay, I'm going to quickly create a color swatch chart of these right here because everybody knows color swatching is the best thing ever. And you guys know that I like to use my Tombow dual brush pens for watercoloring. So here I'm going to add a drop of water to each one of the colors, and you can see how the colors react with the water and spread nicely just like watercolors. So much fun. So there are 12 new colors. Let's see what else is there in the box. Next in the box is a marker storage case. You open it up, you can easily see how all these elastics are there. I think it holds up to like 10 or 12 markers. Okay, next in the box are some new lettering practice sheets, but these are actually not, these are sheets that you don't have to print out. These are sheets that are laminated for you. So you can just practice writing on them and then wipe away. So this first one has lowercase alphabets and the other side uppercase alphabets. The second one has some tricky letter combinations that you can just practice again and wipe away. And the other side, they also have a nice guideline, like a lined sheet that you can letter whatever you want. I like to always just practice a few drills before I start my lettering, and this would be a fun way to practice without wasting paper now. Okay, next in the box is a blending palette set. So let's see what all is contained in here. So this has a blending palette. It has a new color swatch for 108 dual brush pens. It has the colors blender, spray mister, and also a blending guide included along with all of it. So let's quickly see what's the information that included in the pamphlet this time. The dual brush pen colors plus roll-up marker case. So these are 12 new ink colors. They have the flexible brush tip, and then you can fit them all in the fabric roll-up case that's included with a nice tight closure. It's easy to transport using it. They also have new lettering practice sheets. Start practicing your hand lettering today with the new Tombow Wipe-Off lettering sheets, and now you can learn the fundamentals of lettering without wasting paper. Blending assortment plus a bonus color tracker. I love the color tracker. It blends beautiful colors for your art and craft projects with assorted blending items. This assortment includes blending palette, colorless blender, spray mister, and instructional blending guide. So which item did you guys like best in today's VIP box? Leave me a comment below and let me know. For me, I definitely love the new dual brush pen colors, but I also kind of love the marker case it came in. So if you're interested to buy one of these boxes for yourself, I will leave a link down below in the description box, and also have a blog post where you can find more images and more information about this. So I hope you enjoyed the projects I shared with these products today, and if you're looking for more inspiration, stop by my blog smilingcolors.com. So thanks so much for spending some crafty time with me today, friends. I hope you have a wonderful day. Happy crafting!